Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the story The Boy Who Broke the Bank. Activity questions. Passage 1. A1. Write words. First, Nathu works in People Nagar Bank. Second, the bank owned by Seth Govind Rao. Third, the name of the washerman's son, Sitaram. Fourth, Nathu works as a sweeper boy. A2, give proper reasons. First, Nathu was annoyed because he had not received his regular salary from the bank for 20 months. Second, also his demand of an extra 2 rupees a month was refused. A3, complete the web of related words providing noun to the given verbs from the passage. To sweep, pan, broom, dust, step. A4, do as directed. First, as soon as I get my money, I am off. Start the sentence with no sooner than. Answer, no sooner do I get my money than I am off. Second question, he had a bundle of freshly pressed clothes balanced on his head. Frame WH question for the underlined part. Answer, what did he has balanced on his head? A5, do you get annoyed? Do you show your annoyance? Answer, sometime I get annoyed. If I get annoyed, I become angry and nervous. I tear pages, throw things, but in front of parents, I just keep quiet. Passage 2. Passage starts with Mrs. Srivastav and ends with flower garden. A1. Write whether you agree or disagree with the given sentences. First, Mr. Srivastav was doing some shopping. Disagree. 2. A large tamarind tree was at the end of the bazaar. Agree. Third, Mrs. Bhushan thought that it was the hottest summer in the history of People Nagar. Agree. Fourth, she left Mr. Srivastav in the bazaar. Disagree. A2. Write who said to whom. Sentence, where did you disappear? Mrs. Bhushan said to Mr. Bhushan. Second, none of the other could be getting paid either. Mrs. Bhushan said to Mrs. Srivastav. Third, nowhere. Mr. Bhushan to Mrs. Bhushan. Fourth, do you know my dear? Mrs. Srivastav said to Mrs. Bhushan. A3, give proper similar word for first, purchase things from market, shopping. Second, a person who works is called employee. Third, a person who cleans the area, sweeper. Fourth, earning, wages. A4, do as directed. First, so there you are, cried Mrs. Bhushan. Make indirect speech. Answer, Mrs. Bhushan cried that he was there. Second question. That summer was the hottest in the history of Pipalnagar. Positive degree. Answer. No other summer in the history of Pipalnagar was as hot as that. A5. What do you think? Is the bank really in bad condition that they don't pay their sweeper? Answer. No, I don't think that. Not giving payment of a sweeper means the bank was in bad condition. Maybe there were some misunderstanding about it. Passage third. Passage start with Deep Chand and ends with rupees in saving. A1. Fill in the blanks. First, Deep Chand was cutting the hair of an elderly gentleman. Second, the man went to the general merchant store to make a phone to Seth Govindram. Third, the Seth was not at home because he was holidaying in Kashmir. Fourth, everyone astonished when they saw Ganpat running on his feet. A2. Complete the flow chart showing how the news spread from general merchant, shop, customers, beetle seller, tailor, free vendor, the jeweler, the baker. Give reasons why the customer helped with pain and distress. Answer. Pain because of the cut of his right ear by Deep Chand. Distress because of the terrible news he had heard. A3. Write nouns of beg, beggar, begging. Second, travel, traveler, traveling. Third, store, storage. Fourth, circulate, circulation. Write adjective for forest fire, crooked leg, 1,000 rupees, elderly gentleman. A4. Change the voice. First question. He dialed Seth Govindram's number. Answer. Seth Govindram's number was dialed by him. Second. Seth Govindram has left town. Answer. Town has been left by Seth Govindram. A5. What are your reaction when you hear any shocking news? Answer. The reaction of the shocking news is depend on the news. If it is happy, we shout loudly, and if it is sad or bad, we cry loudly.